Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today I have these little um, cases for AirTags. So there's like four in total, and you just scoop them in there. They fit in just as they should. There's different colors, so feel free to pick out the ones that you want. Also, there's different sets if you don't like these colors, so there's also others you can check out as well. And yeah, all in all, they're made up pretty nicely, and they just secure them pretty tightly and prevent them from getting scratched and all that. So that is quite nice. And also they have like these key changes, so you can actually use them as some little hangers or something as well. Yeah, and that's pretty much what these are. And I think that's gonna be good enough for today. So until the next time, you guys, I will see you around. Take care. I'm Badger. I'm out, and bye bye.